In front of me is POCO F8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. You need to begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then click on Additional Settings, Languages and Input, Manage keyboards, and finally Gboard. Over here. Now click on Corrections and Suggestions to check out and manage all of those options thanks to all of those switchers. Last one, which is smartly priced, is the only one you need to click on and adjust it here. Quick tip most people miss, and then when you swipe up, you can click on Autocorrection on the left and not only manage it from here as well, but also get access to this option called Undo Autocorrect on Backspace, which is super helpful if you decided to use autocorrection. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!